What's going on, guys? It's Jimmy here with your second stimulus check update and third stimulus check update. In this video, we're going to go over the latest regarding the $600 stimulus checks that are going out right now, the $300 per week unemployment stimulus checks that are going out right now, and the latest on the $2,000 stimulus checks and related news. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss out on new videos. And don't forget to hit the like button for us down below. It really helps out our channel. All right, let's jump right into it because we got a lot to cover. The new second strain of the virus, the second mutation of the virus, has now been found in several different states in the United States, including California, Colorado, now Georgia in addition, and also possibly already in Chicago, as the new variant, they say, is up to 70% more transmissible. So it actually can transmit from person to person easier than the first virus, which in my opinion is one of the worst qualities of this virus, is now being found in multiple states across the United States. On the $600 stimulus check, there's multiple problems being reported through our viewers and multiple different articles and different people that I'm seeing. If you do your taxes with H&R Block or TurboTax, customers are reporting issue with the $600 stimulus check not being deposited on time into their accounts. A TurboTax spokesman says, quote, "We know how important these funds are to so many Americans and that everyone is anxious to get their money. We are partnering with the IRS to help taxpayers receive their payments as quickly as possible." H&R Block tweets, "The IRS Get My Payment website may display an account number you don't recognize. If you took a refund transfer from H&R Block, it may be reflecting that account number. Check your 2019 to confirm." They go on to say, "But don't worry, we have sent these payments onto the method you chose for your refund transfer: direct deposit, check, or Emerald card. The money should be there by the end of the day." Let me know if you have received your $600 stimulus checks, and let our viewers know down below what state you're in. And if you do your taxes with H&R Block or TurboTax, if you have got your $600 stimulus checks through them yet, it will help out a lot of our viewers. I know a lot of people are seeing stimulus checks. The IRS and the Treasury Department said they're going to be processing tens of millions more stimulus checks this week, as they're working on now the third stimulus check, the $2,000 stimulus check. Payments are going out this week. The IRS only has until January 15th to get all the stimulus checks out, or else there might be a significant delay. I will keep you updated on all of that. Also, tomorrow, which is the election certification results of the 2020 election, also, there's new PPP guidance coming out tomorrow. So if you're expecting to try to get a PPP grant for a small business or any type of side hustle, any type of side business where you get 1099, you drive for Uber, you sell for Amazon, anything like that, there's new guidance coming out tomorrow, which might point us in the right direction. If I get a hold of that, I will share it with you guys about claiming those different buckets of money. There's no money available yet on the mortgage and rental assistance side from the stimulus package that is passed, but I will keep you updated on that also. On raising the stimulus checks to $2,000, Kevin O'Leary, business billionaire and TV star from the show Shark Tank, it's one of my favorite shows, says, "That's the cold hard truth. Congress should have provided more assistance for unemployed Americans rather than the funding package provisions like the $600 stimulus checks and the $284 billion PPP program. I would have preferred that they took the money and gave it all directly to individuals that are in dire straits due to extended unemployment as a result of the pandemic. If you became unemployed after March and are still unemployed, you get $2,000 per month for the next 12 months or until you find work." That's his interesting proposal, $2,000 per month if you're unemployed still from this pandemic. He says, "Americans are the backbone of this country's economy, and nobody deserves to be in a great, painful space because of this pandemic. $600 doesn't cut it." Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Also, Republican Senator Josh Hawley has been in the limelight a lot lately. Not only was he the main Republican to push for the $2,000 stimulus checks and even before then pushing to make the $600 stimulus check to $1,200. But he's also a proponent of challenging the election tomorrow. I just did an interesting video on that on our other channel, The Daily Dirt, which I will link to you at the end of this video if you haven't seen that yet, or subscribe to our second channel. But Josh Hawley says that people love him because of the stimulus check push, but a lot of people who are non-Republicans or Democrats do not like that he is going to challenge the election results tomorrow on January 6th, the certification of the electoral college votes that have already proclaimed Joe Biden as the winner. Congress has to certify it tomorrow, and Josh Hawley has been one of the leaders to challenge that. Well, his home just got protested outside, and he's not very happy about it. In fact, here's some footage from outside his home.
Democracy is under attack. What do we do?
Stand up, fight back.
What do we do?
Stand up, fight back.
What do we do?
Stand up, fight back.
All right, so we understand that some of Senator Hawley's neighbors may be concerned about what's going on here. We're here to visit Senator Hawley, who's the youngest senator in the Senate. He's a senator from Missouri.
Why are you disturbing our neighborhood and scaring our kids?
You should talk to you. So you should talk to
No,
you.
listen.
A conversation reads it, and he backs off, and he quits his dangerous attack on our democracy. No. We're not going to let people hold our democracy hostage. We're not going to let them infringe on our rights. Every ballot has been counted. It is over. So when democracy is under attack, what do we do? When democracy is under attack, what do we do? What do we do? We voted and stood in line and voted for hours upon end. So how dare you allow and sneak behind closed doors and try to go behind us and not validate the ballots of Pennsylvania. So we're going to be here and we're going to occupy this space. Show me what democracy looks like.
This is what democracy looks like.
Show me what democracy looks like.
This is what democracy looks
I
like.
said, show me what democracy looks like.
This is what democracy looks like.
And,
We out here.
you know, at your door. So we came here. We had a conversation with him. It was a one-sided conversation. He didn't come out and talk to us. So,
Not recording now, so he's gonna be listening. You know.
all right. So I don't know that he's going to come out tonight. Maybe if we come back tomorrow morning early, he'll come out.
Should we come back?
Maybe if we come back tomorrow night, he'll come out and talk to us. Maybe if we come back every morning, he'll come out and talk to us.
Man, let me know your thoughts on that down below in the comments. A lot of people loved Senator Josh Hawley when he was pushing for the $1,200 and the $2,000 stimulus checks. He was pretty much the only Republican to do that at first. He was definitely the first one, and he led the charge. Remember, he partnered up with Democratic/Independent Senator Bernie Sanders over the $2,000 stimulus checks and the $1,200 stimulus checks, and he'll be very crucial with it going forward because we need those Republican senators to vote yes on this bill. But he feels very strongly, because I know this because I've watched several interviews from him, I think I've shown one or two on this channel, that he thinks that a lot of things that happened in the election weren't on the up and up. And he says that he has to stand up for his state and the people he represents and basically try to bring light to as much of the election problems and to try to put together a committee here over the next 10 days and not certify the election results. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Do you agree with him? Do you disagree with him? Do you think they should just let it go and it's too little too late? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. On the Georgia Senate runoff races that will determine whether the Senate will become Democrat or stay Republican and keep Mitch McConnell in power, the polls are closing on that shortly. There are no results on it yet. We have a financial analyst that says if the Democrats win both of those seats and then control the House, the Senate, and the presidency, the stock market could trigger a up to 10% sell-off. a Democratic sweep could cause a downdraft of between 6 to 10%. However, Joe Biden says that a Democratic win will lead to a guarantee of $2,000 stimulus checks passed possibly as early as this week, because Mitch McConnell will no longer be able to block the bill in the Senate. And both Republican Senator Josh Hawley and Republican Senator Lindsey Graham have both said there is enough support to pass these $2,000 stimulus checks in the Senate. Mitch McConnell just hasn't brought it up to a vote yet. Remember that $2,000 stimulus check bill has passed the House, but now that the new Congress was sworn in on Sunday, it would have to be repassed. Of course, they're waiting now to see what's going to happen with these elections tonight in the Georgia Senate to see if the Senate will maintain being Republican or switch over to being Democrat. Let me know what you think is going to happen with the Senate. Do you think the Democrats are going to take it over? Or do you think the Republicans are going to win one of the two seats, although they are losing in the early polls? I will have another video for you guys tonight at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 8 p.m. Eastern or 8 p.m. West Coast time. So 11 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. West Coast time. Basically, if you're watching this video when it's coming out live, it's about 3 hours from now. So you're not going to get a notification for it. Just go on YouTube, type in It's Jimmy, and at 11 p.m. Eastern time, I will have an update for you guys, a crucial update, as we will have some results most likely on the Georgia Senate runoff races, and if the Senate is going to maintain Republican with Mitch McConnell being in power or not. That will be a big determining factor on how fast we get $2,000 stimulus checks and how often we will be getting stimulus checks until the pandemic is over. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel with the bell icon on. Also, this top video is my newest stimulus check video, and this bottom video is my second channel called The Daily Dirt, where I host videos with my wife, where we just went over how the Republicans are going to contest the election results tomorrow. Make sure you watch that if you haven't yet and subscribe to our second channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.